If you want to set the admin, press return and enter, and key the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 default password, and press enter. And you see number 1 user manage. Press 1. Okay, press 1 for fingerprint. Okay, 001 to 009 is for admin. So press enter. Put the fingerprint at the scanning area about 5 times. Okay, successful. And the 002 for the RFID. Okay, RFID card already done. And 003 for the password. Enter again. Okay, then if you want to add face, press return and press 4. Okay, input face. Okay, 004 also for admin. Okay, the face is successful. And return for the palm, number 2. Press enter. Okay, the palm also successful. Okay, then press return. Okay, then done.